Welcome back to Hardburn 00 Actions tutorial number 2. Just remember that with Rockrail, the wiki is the only official documentation and all others is user to user. In the last video we got the locomotive to start up, the sound, switch on the lights, move out the block, and once it entered this block here to sound the horn. It did sound the horn twice, so we'll fix that in this video and we'll show you another way to do functions on the locomotive using actions as such, but a bit different way. So it's over to the PC now and we'll see how we set it up. So now we're on the PC, let's sort out the double horn going when it enters this block, number 1. So I've got to tables and actions. With the horn, I've got a definition. In there I put a duration of 5 milliseconds, so let's change that to 10. That should cure the double sounding horn fly. 10 doesn't work, you can try another number such as 20, 50 and so on. Show down to you how your local works and how the layout is going. So apply and OK. We'll also going to show you a different way to use functions as actions as such. So if I go to tables, I go to locomotive. Select the locomotive ending 78 and I go to functions. I've already pre-described the sounds and the functions, and also down here, the little box here, where you see the little tick, it's a momentary switch. That means when you press the button and then let go, it turns itself off. If the box is not ticked, such as the sound, will be switched on until you switch it off. So I want the single horn to toot as it enters block 2. So if I go to events, click on block 2 for the on event and click on block 2 for the off event. And the event will be enter block and also exit block. OK that. Now, as it's set as a momentary switch, the little tick here indicates that. And I need to give it a little bit of time to sound the horn. 0 milliseconds is not enough, so you'll have experimenting with it. If it doesn't work under 10, 20, etc. And I find for this one here, 100 times 100 milliseconds is perfect for us. Do remember, click apply. OK. So now over to the layout and we'll show you how the function works. So now when it enters block 1, the tone for the horn should only sound once. This is a success. Again, if it wasn't quite right, you can go back in and add or take away the settings in your timer. I'll bring it back into block 2. As it enters block 2, the horn should sound at once. Just a single tone horn this time, short blast. There it is. So that's us folks for this video. I hope so that's us for this video folks. I hope to be making more videos in the near future. Thanks for watching. As always, like, subscribe or comment. Thank you very much. Bye.